Young Hov, yeah. Hey, it's your boy Hov. Yeah.
She want 88 yen though. Gotta take a look.
Hold on, look, hold on. Let me throw a hook in there real quick. Hold on. I said, man, I'm all about my cash flow. A young nigga tryna buy a fucking Jag though. I came ride a fucking bando. I slid through with a bad hole, and I don't give a fuck. Pussy, you can get hit up. Niggas know I get them bucks. Pussy nigga, you gon' luck. Everybody know that I be clutching on that 9, and if you fucking with my team, niggas know you fucking dying. Pussy nigga, you gon' die slow. I get that 5-4, put the 4 right to your head. I'ma lay you down right on the bed. All my niggas gotta get the chain. Steady spinning out fucking rain. Everybody know we coming, nigga. Yeah, we dumping, nigga. Running straight right round the corner. 40 right with up on me. Nigga playing, I'ma hit you, homie. Straight leave y'all niggas lonely. Everybody know how I come. Young nigga, but I ain't dumb. Playing games, I got the footage. I'ma put this shit straight to your tongue. Niggas know you better run. Niggas know you better run. These niggas know that I'm better than any nigga really gets your head split. Playing games, I'ma hit your team. Niggas know that you really your lane. Everybody know I get the beam when I sip on that fucking lane.
Well, when I walk up, everybody's like, I'm black. But it's okay, I don't care how I sound right now, cause I'm smacked. Yeah, I just smoked on that hella black. It don't matter, I make you wanna go, it's like a hella plan. But it don't matter, cause I am flying. You know that I'm hiding. Everything else I'm pumped to, it don't matter, cause I'm pumped to. And it's okay, cause like I'm rapping. Look at your fingers tapping. Yeah, you know that he laughing. Yo, mom, she is clapping. Her ass right on this stick. Wanna take a lick like a lollipop stick. Man, she getting sick, she tryna spit, but I say swallow it. And people say that I'm sick, but it's okay, cause you know that when I grab her, I will twist like a hurricane, like Chris. It don't really matter if you get that, you got that like a cyclone. You know that, you are not that, but it's okay. Yeah, you know
Said it, Hova nigga, my name is Hova nigga, know I am a soldier with a 40 in the holster. Play with me, then you get roasted. People know just how I come, people know where I come from. 757 where I'm at, you play with me, you get shot down. People know I get them crowns, and I win them fucking rounds. Niggas know you gon' get shot, and if you try to take my crown, cause I'm a motherfucking king. Bring that fucking pain, put the pain up to your brain and lay you down up on the same. Smoke niggas like they is green, burn them down until the sting. The beat went off, but niggas know I'm still going insane. Pussy niggas know I really rock, run up on them with the Glock, send a nigga 50 shots and lay him down right on his block, cause I don't give a fuck where a young nigga at. I'm a young nigga 15 and I be shooting when you're back. Everybody know I'm back. Hova really in the scene. If you playing with my niggas, I'ma smoke you like a grain. Let's get